So that is dance, guys. Please, okay, it's nice dance. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe down below, like this video, and let's like this video. Let's dance. The first step in this dance tutorial dance challenge, the first step is our leg walk. 1, 2. Let me give you the guys leg walk so you guys can be ready. I think below, guys. Just the left crossing. Cross, cross. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first step, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, it's simple leg work. In case you are finding this leg work difficult, comment down below for me to do a separate video on that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first step, guys. So we're counting 4 before you hit your hands up. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's the step, guys. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing it slow, guys, because this dance is a very fast dance. So once you learn it, you just have to increase your pace. You just have to dancing very, very fast. Let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. First step. Let's do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's it, guys. So that's the first step in this challenge. Now, after that, the next step we do. So let's go from the beginning so I can get the concept. So it's 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, dance. 1, 2, 3. That's it, guys. So it's carry your right leg back as you are playing the guitar. 1, 2, 3, bounce. You go again. 1, 2, 3. Sing. Play your guitar. Play your guitar. Play your guitar. Something like that. So it's 1, 2, 3. Bounce. 1, 2, 3. The guitar continues. Let's do it from the start so you're able to get the full gist. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, pass. 1, 2, 3. I think, guys, that is the fast one. But if you have to do it slow, is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, bounce. 1, 2, 3, bounce. 1, 2, 3. So that's it, guys. If you have to take it slow, that is how you do it. My God, look at the sun. The sun is radiating in my eyes. Let us go. So now, guys, after that step, the next step to do is this one. So after you do 1, 2, 3, let's do this. You criss-cross. I think, guys, so you criss-cross. Then you criss to the right, criss to the left. Let me just in challenge so I can get it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Criss-cross. Criss-cross. That's it, guys. So it's criss-cross. Criss-cross. The first one is criss-cross. Second one is you jump and you do pa. So you jump pa. That's the second one, guys. So let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Criss-cross. Criss-cross. That's it, guys. That is the second one. Let's do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Criss-cross. Criss-cross. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys are following me. You guys have to follow, guys. You have to be following, guys. You have to be following. You have to feel the vibe. So let's go one more time. 5, 6, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yada 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 So do one more crease, then you hit. So it's cross, 1, 2. Watch me. So it's crease, hit, 1, 2, 1, 2. Listen, guys. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yada 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 yada. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good, 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 good. Criss-cross, hit. 1, 2. Listen, guys. So it's criss-cross, hit. 1, 2. Let's go. So it's 1, 2. Criss-cross, hit. 1, 2. Okay, so after that, 1, 2. The next thing to do, if I do 1 and 2, let's do this. 1, 2. Your hip to the side, so it's 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. That's the next step, guys. Let's talk about that extent. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yada 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 yada. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Criss-cross. 1, 2. 1. So guys, if I do 1, 2, the next thing to do is you push, you drag, and you break your waist for me like this. So guys, once you break your waist like that, you are good to go. I don't mean literally breaking your waist though. You just have to bend it like this. Bend it like this. So I'm good to go. Let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yada 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 yada. So that's it, guys. That is the full dance tutorial for this. It's trending right now. I think it's trending right now. So if you know this song, just comment down below. Comment the name. Let's see this fancy guys. Now remember, don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below for me, comment on this channel, and don't forget to watch these videos over here. Comment the video you want to see next, the video tutorial you want me to do, and I'll do it for you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial video.